Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. So it is the 18th of February 2025 and it is investment time. So I've not been able to invest when the market opened today because I've been so busy at work. I've started a new job and it's taking up a lot of my time doing the training. So what I've decided to do for the foreseeable future is not to do 3 investments per day. I'm going to be trying to do 1 investment a day because I just simply don't get the time. And whenever I do, it's not possible to make the video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to invest once a day. And if I do get the time, then I'll do it more than once. But at the bare minimum, I'm going to try and invest once a day into these 3 companies: Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA. So for anyone who's new to the channel, basically what I used to do is I used to invest 3 times a day whenever the market is open, and I used to deploy £100 into the market. And the 3 companies that I invested in were Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA. Because I'm thinking I'm not going to have enough time to make 3 videos a day and invest 3 times a day for the foreseeable future, I'm just going to invest once a day. And instead of investing £100 per session, I'm going to do £300 per day in one go. So hopefully that's going to keep the routine going. It's going to build that good investment habit, and then hopefully I'm going to be deploying money into the market every day, and £300 every day. Either it's going to be done in 3 sections, or I'm going to do it in one go. So here goes. So let's have a look at the portfolio before we start. So my general investment account is just under 85,000. My stocks and shares ISA is above 13,000, and my self-invested personal pension is under 1,000. So what I'm going to do, normally what I do is I invest £70 in Tesla 3 times a day. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to invest £210 into Tesla in one go. So let's have a look at what it's doing today. So today it's kind of flat, it's round, it's down about 1%. So I'm going to buy £210 worth of Tesla. So I'm going to confirm the buy, sending the order through. It's taking a bit of time, but I think a lot of people are putting orders through at the moment. Hopefully it's going to go through without a hitch. Fingers crossed. Okay, so hopefully it's going to be there soon. This is actually the longest it's ever taken. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm just going to talk about Tesla and the reason that I'm buying Tesla so relentlessly. Okay, it's awaiting confirmation for some reason, so I'm just going to try again. So just bear with me. I'm going to try and buy it again. It's £210. Review the order, confirm the buy. So sending the order through again. So like I was saying, the reason I'm buying a lot of Tesla is because I believe in the company. I believe in its future. I think robotics, autonomy, robo-taxis is going to play a big part in the future, and I'm trying to get in early. Previously, I did invest in Tesla and I had to sell a little bit as well. But I'm not going to make this mistake this time. I'm just going to keep it over the long term. For anybody who's new to the channel, my investment horizon is between 5 and 10 years. So I'm just going to keep it for at least 5 years, and I'm investing it in my individual savings account, which means it's going to be exempt from capital gains tax, which is going to be a bonus because obviously I don't have to pay any tax on any gains that I make. Okay, so the order is not going through, so I'm going to leave that one for now, and I'm going to go on to my next one, which is MicroStrategy. So MicroStrategy, normally what I do is I put £20 per session, so I'm going to put £60 in one go. So I'm buying £60 into MicroStrategy. So I'm going to review the order, confirm the buy. So hopefully the order is gonna go through. Okay, so that buy is completed, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy NVIDIA shares for £30. But before we do that, let's have a look at how NVIDIA is doing. So today it's up about 0.5%. So it's not moving a lot today. So it doesn't really matter. I'm not concerned about the volatility. My main concern is to deploy the money into the market every single day until I reach my target of £1 million in my portfolio. So I'm going to quickly buy NVIDIA for £30. Yeah. So I'm going to confirm the buy. So just waiting for the order to go through now. So I think yesterday the markets were closed, so a lot of people are putting trades on at the moment, but this has never actually happened before. So I'm hoping it's going to go through now. But the reason I'm buying NVIDIA is because it's just a fantastic company, one of the biggest companies in the world, and they've got a bright future ahead of them because they specialize in graphical processing units, and they're about to replace $1 trillion worth of CPUs with GPUs eventually. So it's going to happen over a long period of time, but it is going to happen. I see this this company 2 or 3xing in the next 5 years. So it is a fantastic company. So I'm going to try and put more money. I'm going to try and put more money into Tesla in another half an hour. So I don't think it's gone through. So I'm going to put another $210 into Tesla. And then that's going to be my investments complete for the day. So join me tomorrow. I'm going to be deploying another £300 into the market. And if I have time, I will try and do it in 2 segments. But the minimum I will try and do is invest once a day. And I'm going to be deploying £300 into the stock market every day. So join me on my journey. If you find these videos useful, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I've got about 1,000 subscribers now. I'm trying to increase that to 2,000 by the end of the year. It is quite ambitious, so hopefully it is going to happen with your support. If you have any questions at all, leave a question below in the comments and I'll try and give a detailed response. And yeah, just keep on investing. If you're new to investing, just build up the habit. That's the best thing I can say, is build up the habit. Think long term. Even if it's like just £1 you can invest into the stock market every day. It's more important to actually build that habit early on, and then eventually when you have more money coming in, it will kind of be something that you do naturally. You won't have to think about it. And pick some companies that you really believe in, or if you don't want to be in a risky situation, or if you don't enjoy volatility, then try and invest into an index like the S&P 500. But the main thing is actually investing in the market and staying invested over a long period of time. So in the past, there's a lot of good companies that I bought, like Apple, Amazon, but I made like short-term gains. If I had kept the amount of shares that I had back then, I would probably have $1 million in my portfolio now. So learn from my mistakes, be invested in the market over a longer period of time, and then hopefully you'll be able to build something big. But that's it for today. I'll make another video tomorrow, so have a great evening. Take care. Bye.